Howdy, old goats. Well, today we finally got her hung up, and as you can see, I'm sitting on it and she's holding me. Okay, it really doesn't seem like it can fit two of me. Fairly simple, fairly easy. So she's out here, she's hung. We're gonna go ahead and sand her. We're not gonna sand the sides and get all blah blah blah. I mean, we're gonna sand a little bit here, just to kind of make her a little softer to the touch, but we're not gonna worry about up in here where the hooks are. Getting all nice and fine on it, because it's just a porch swing for us. It's not like I'm selling it. It's not like it's. I mean, this guy's not perfect, guys. This thing is not perfect at all, but she's good enough. She's good enough. So we're gonna go ahead and get her sanded. All right. Okay, guys. Hey, that's the porch swing. I know it's not perfect. I know it could use some work. I know it's Hey, it's my first one. Okay. Now they cut me some slack. It's my first one. I've proved to myself that one, I can do it. Two, it doesn't cost a whole lot. Three, if I want to make another one, I can just go make another one. I mean, I've only got like maybe what? I don't know. $30 wrapped up in it? That's not much. I mean, you can go buy a $200 porch swing that's way more flimsy than this thing. Or you can build your own. And even do it, not do a perfect job. I mean, I'm not saying do a crappy job. Do the best you can. But it doesn't have to be perfect. I guarantee you this thing's going to last up way longer than that $200 swing you're going to buy. I mean, the $200 swing might look a little better, But I mean, there's things we could do to this to make this look better at a fraction of the cost. If we could route out those edges on those handles or the arm rests, we could route out the front, we could route out the sides, we can even engrave our name on the back if we wanted to. But for me, this is my first swing. This is the first one I've built. I mean, I'm just now starting to get back into woodworking. So, I mean, what have I got to lose? I got a swing that I can sit here and swing on for maybe $30. Say what you want about it. Say I did horrible. Say I missed a step. I don't care. I really don't. Because I got myself a porch swing for dirt cheap. Bye.